Today we're going to be talking about something called rotational symmetry. Rotational symmetry. So, you know what a rotation is. So a rotation means that something rotates, like it goes around in a circle. So, I have this fun little shape. I don't have a name for it. I think we're going to call her Lucille. This is Lucille. She doesn't have reflectional symmetry. If I put a line down the middle and folded this over there, it wouldn't match up. So she doesn't have reflectional symmetry. She has something wicked cool called rotational symmetry. So if I were to draw the shape, so we have the outline of Lucille. You can't really see it, but if I were to take her off, you can see the outline. Now what's really cool is, see how it fits like that? If I turn Lucille 90 degrees to the right, or clockwise, she fits in the same spot. And if I do it again, she fits in the same spot again, and again. And I could keep spinning her around and she would still fit perfectly in this because she has rotational symmetry. Her symmetry happens to work her rotational symmetry happens to work every 90 degrees. That doesn't always have to be the case. It could be every 30 degrees. So if she had the same thing every 30 degrees as if you think about it as a circle. Some other things that have rotational symmetry, like this looks like a pinwheel. If you were to draw like a sun or a star, as long as everything is the same distance apart and everything looks the same on it, if you spin it, it should have rotational symmetry. So part of what I'm going to have you guys do in the Nearpod is draw something that has rotational symmetry and show me where the center point of that rotational symmetry is. It's called the center of rotation. So Lucille's center of rotation is right there in the center. Okay? So that's rotational symmetry for you. So it just has to spin and look exactly the same. It does not have to have a line of symmetry. It has something called a center of rotation. In this specific drawing in Lucille, the basic design element, I want you to think about it for a second. What is the basic design element? What's the thing that is one piece of the thing? So when you spin it, it's the one piece that keeps repeating and repeating and repeating. You're so right. It is one of these triangles and one of these little circle things, so that when we spin it, it just moves. The whole piece moves. So it's one of the triangles and then one of these little tiny triangle circle-y pieces in the middle. You can't really see it. I'll show you. So basic design element is the triangle right there and its little triangle right here that goes with it. Yep. Rotational symmetry. Yay! Please do the Nearpod and IXLs. I am going to try to get more people to do the Nearpod so that maybe you guys can watch me cut my hair. It's not going to be anything wild. It's not going to be up here. I'm probably going to cut maybe that much off and just see how it goes. So I'm hoping we can get 40 people to do the Nearpod all the way through. I really wish it was more, but at the moment that's my goal. Okay, bye.